So hi there buddies, hope you all are great. So as you all know, the Black Friday sales are going on. So you are getting domain and hosting in cheap price. So additionally to it, I will provide you a free domain for 2 years, absolutely free of cost and 20% off in your checkout. So this is the highest discount. You see many videos they will tell you that 60%, 70% off, but these are false things. The offer that I told you is the highest offer provided by Hostinger. So for this what you have to do is in the description I have given a link. You have to simply click on that link and you will be automatically redirected to the discount page. Now here you see this, I'm getting 20% off and a free domain, absolutely free of cost, plus 3 months of extra hosting. You see this in this 48-month plan. Now if your budget is low, then you can go for the 12 months plan also, depends on your choice. Now if you are a professional, then you can go for the cloud startup plan, which will benefit you. Now in this plan also the same offer is there. You see this. Now the condition is you have to be a new user in Hostinger. So if you are a new user, then only you can avail this offer. But however, there is a trick. What you can do is in the description, the link that I have given to you, just copy that link and go to any other Google account and paste it in the search bar and choose your plan and go for the payment. And now you can also avail this offer. So this is the trick which you can apply to get this offer. So I hope this video is helpful for you and this video has helped you to save some money. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.